Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your Xbox as home so you can share games and Game Pass to other accounts. So to do this, it's very easy. Let's go up to the top and go to Settings. Then go to General and go to the right and go to Personalization. Then go to My Home Xbox right here and select this. Type in your PIN if you have one. And then go to this. Make this My Home Xbox. Make sure this is checkmarked. And then in the upper left, it's going to tell you how many times you have left in a year to switch your Xbox. So I only have 5 switches left, 5 out of 5. So if I read this, what is a home Xbox? When this is your home Xbox, people can play your downloaded games without you signing in. Plus, if you have Xbox Game Pass, your whole household gets to enjoy it on this Xbox. So you definitely want to go ahead and go to your most used account, the one you buy your games and you have Game Pass on, and then go to this segment right here. Make this My Home Xbox, then every other account on your Xbox will gain access to your games and Game Pass. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.